Hello everyone, this is Group 3. This presentation will look into Tesla's current strategies for achieving SDG 7, investigate some of challenges they are experiencing, as well as propose new recommendations for the business. This is context. Tesla is an American multinational automotive and clean energy company that provides electric vehicle, energy generation, storage system, related products, and services. In this analysis, we will focus on electric cars. Their mission is to accelerate the world transition to sustainable energy. The scope of our presentation is to what extent are Tesla achieving SDG 7 and how is maintained its current lead in the intense industry competition in the future. Next, we will discuss why Tesla is responding to the UN SDG 7. The reason is that electric cars can alleviate the problem of environmental pollution and climate deterioration caused by fuel vehicles, which can protect Earth's resources. Of course, Tesla can also profit from electric cars.
Next, we will talk about what is SDG 7 and what strategies Tesla has adopted to achieve SDG 7. SDG 7 is about ensuring access to affordable, reliable, sustainable, and modern energy for all. The main focus of SDG 7.1 is the affordability of clean energy. In order to achieve this goal, Tesla launched the Model 3, making its price more acceptable to more people. From the bar chart on the left, the price of the Tesla Model 3 is comparable to that of a gasoline-powered car of the same level. From the bar chart on the right, the 5-year cost of ownership of Model 3 is closer to that of a Camry. So, what strategies does Tesla use to reduce costs? Tesla is currently reducing costs in 3 ways. First, its factories use AI technology to increase production efficiency. Second, the integrated die casting process is used to reduce costs. Third, Tesla recycles its batteries to recycle rare metals. In the future, Tesla will reduce costs by improving better technology. The self-developed battery can also save more than 50% of the cost.
This part is relevant to SDG 7.3. By 2030, double the global rate of improvement in energy efficiencies. Energy efficiency means the use of less energy to produce the same result. And in electronic vehicles, reducing waste in the powertrains will increase the range. The more efficiencies of motors, the more time the car will stay on the road. So Tesla focused on increasing the efficiency of the motor. As a result, the motors in the Tesla has gone from 80% efficiency to 90%, with the peak efficiencies at 94% during the test cycle. And from the charts, we could see the Tesla vehicles are among the most efficient electronic vehicles built today. Model Y achieves 4.1 EPA mile per kilowatt hours, which makes it the most efficient electronic SUV produced today. While achieving the best-in-class energy efficiencies, the Model Y can accelerate to 60 miles per hour just 4.8 seconds.
SDG 7.8 is, by 2030, enhance international cooperation to facilitate access to clean energy research and promote investment in energy infrastructure and clean energy technology. Nowadays, Tesla's fast charging network is quickly expanding around the world. Tesla operates over 1,200 supercharging stations with 8,700 individual stores covering more than 770 regions in China. Europe also has 800 supercharging stations across 30 countries. Furthermore, all Tesla's patents are open to the industry to accelerate the transition to clean energy. Hence, the investment of supercharging stations throughout the world facilitate the access to clean energy for all electric vehicle users in the world.
Next, we will perform a macro analysis of Tesla. We use the PESTEL model to analyze external factors. The first one is policy. For developing countries, we take China as an example. Both the national and city governments have introduced a series of subsidy policies for new energy vehicles to encourage residents to replace their fuel vehicles with new energy vehicles. In addition, until the end of 2023, the purchase of new energy cars can be exempted from vehicle purchase tax. However, the subsidy share is down 30% from 2021. For developed countries, we take the United States as an example to discuss. The Inflation Reduction Act points out that only electrical vehicles assembled in the United States are eligible for tax benefits. This policy has directly affected Tesla's supply chain layout, causing it to substance plans to build a battery factory next to the German Gigafactory. In general, the policies issued by the government are beneficial to Tesla's car sales in the short run. But in the long run, the state is reducing subsidies for the new energy vehicles year by year, which has an adverse effect on Tesla, which sells for higher price.
The next part is environmental. Human activities has been the main driver of climate change. The Earth is now about 1.1 degree warmer. Climate change was predicted that global warming is reach around 3.2 degree by the end of the century. Carbon credits are tradable certificates or permit that allow the holder to emit a certain amount of carbon dioxide to encourage the development of low-carbon vehicles. Government has imposed emission limits on automakers. Some companies get carbon credits for meeting the standard line, and they can sell their credit to companies which not for profit. ZEV, the Zero Emission Vehicle Act, was born in California. Due to the problem of environmental pollution caused by vehicle exhaust and transportation, greenhouse gas emissions account for about 40% of California's total emissions. The development of ZEV formulated under the principle of market-oriented has achieved remarkable results. Tesla was set in California, and ZEV Act is significant to Tesla's birth, survival, and development. Tesla's early support for the ZEV project is the key to helping it with the big sale of low-end modules, such as Model 3, that push electric vehicles into more households. In the first quarter of 2022, actual revenues reached to 18.8 billion and 679 million in carbon credit sale, which double times as the previous quarter's 314 million in sales.
This part is about micro-analysis, and in terms of the customer, the main reasons affect customers choose electric car vehicle is the oil price. From the chart, we can see that the oil price rise dramatically, and there are some reasons why 2022 oil price will increase so significantly. Firstly, by restricting productions, OPEC can force oil price to rise and thereby enjoys greater profits. And in early 2022, Russia began military operation in Ukraine. As a result, the Brent crude shot up to more than 105 in early 2022. And because of the high oil price, so more customers are willing to buy electronic vehicles, which accelerates the transitions to clean energies and reduce the carbon emissions.
By comparing with Tesla's competitors, Tesla's battery is capable to unlock greater energy density. However, Blade battery made by BYD is more suitable for city cars. While it can't offer the same energy density as Tesla's battery, Blade battery is able to offer a much lower cost per kilowatt hours. Furthermore, Tesla's battery can only up to 10 years. BYD's battery have a lifespan of 30 years, which makes it more reliable. To deal with this situation, Tesla also started to develop new battery. For example, Fox 680 cells is ready to install for newer production of Teslas. It is claimed that there will be a 5 times increase in capacity and a 6 times increase in power. Also expected the improvement of 56% in Tesla's cost per kilowatt hour as compared to the previous battery pack. Hence, this optimized the energy efficiency through industry competition and ensure more sustainable energy for all.
Therefore, through the above analysis, we give the following suggestions. The first one is that continue to open patents, driving the common progress of other new energy automobile industries and avoid repeat investment of funds. The second one is that continue to maintain investment in battery research and development to improve battery energy efficiency. These initiatives can better achieve SDG 7. Through the internal and external analysis of Tesla, it can be found that Tesla's current policy is while achieving SDG 7.1, 7.3, and 7.8. And we also find that Tesla has room for improvement in terms of batteries. Therefore, we recommend that Tesla increase its investment in battery research and development to overcome the threat of competitors. At the same time, open source technology patents as much as possible to jointly build a sustainable future. These are our references. Thanks for watching.